Whatever life throws at you, tackle it head-on with the new Tactica M250. We all live full lives, from work, sports, hobbies, and home improvement to adventures far and wide. Now you can get the job done and get back to what you love. Tactica brings you the M250, an ultra-lightweight, compact hex drive toolkit that's perfect for your everyday carry. The M250 features a 14-slot hex drive magazine and integrated holster, ideal for those on the go. Whether on your belt or on the fridge, the M250 will be right there when you need it. Versatility comes standard, with 12 of the most common hex bits you might need, and 2 spare slots to load your own and customize your carry. From DIY to cameras, bikes to snowboards, it's got you covered. To make life easier, we've also added magnetic retention to make sure those hex bits stay in place when in use. Combined with our high-torque drive, those stubborn screws won't stand a chance. Can't quite reach? Then our integrated 2-inch extender will help you get into those tight places. The M250 is made from an advanced engineering-grade composite, making it ultra-lightweight and tech-friendly, meaning it won't scratch your valuable phones, iPads, or latest gadgets. And it complies with TSA requirements for air travel, making it the perfect travel companion. The M250, designed and engineered in Australia. Compact enough to carry every day, lightweight enough to not weigh you down, and heavy-duty enough to get things done. The Tactica M250, a complete toolkit in your hand.